Welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing a countdown of the top 10 most amazing facts about the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse regions on the earth. Let's go! The Amazon rainforest is home to over 390 billion individual trees, representing 16,000 different species. The Amazon River is the largest river in the world by volume, containing more water than the next 8 largest rivers combined. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the title of the lungs of the earth. The Amazon is home to over 2.5 million insect species, making it a hotspot for insect diversity. The Amazon rainforest is estimated to contain over 400 billion individual birds, representing 1,300 different species. The Amazon rainforest is home to indigenous tribes that have lived in harmony with the environment for thousands of years. The Amazon rainforest is treasure trove of medicinal plants with over 3,000 known species used for traditional medicine. The Amazon rainforest is under threat from deforestation, with an estimated 17% of the forest lost in the past 50 years. The Amazon rainforest is home to iconic wildlife species such as jaguars, sloths, and pink river dolphins. The Amazon rainforest is a crucial carbon sink, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide to help mitigate climate change. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 most amazing facts about the Amazon rainforest. Remember, it's up to all of us to protect and preserve this incredible natural wonder for future generations.